How to check Dollar General gift card balance. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can check your Dollar General gift card balance, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to check your Dollar General gift card balance, we will not do it from the app, but we will open our browser and we will go to this official website, which is dollargeneral.myretailcard.com. Again I repeat, dollargeneral.myretailcard.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. Once you come to this official website, which is of Dollar General, here you can see it says enter credentials below to check balance and view transactions. So all you have to do is simply make sure to enter your card number here. Once you enter your card number, simply make sure to enter your security code, tap the sign in option, and then you'll be able to successfully go ahead and then check your Dollar General gift card balance. This way you'll be able to check Dollar General gift card balance. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.